Embracing diversity, a path to understanding and inclusion. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we help you navigate the complexities of the English language in a simple and engaging way. Today, we're diving into a powerful and relevant topic, embracing diversity. This phrase is not just about understanding the meaning of the words but also about appreciating the profound impact it has on our lives and societies. Let's explore this together and discover why embracing diversity is so crucial in today's global world. At its core, embracing diversity refers to the acceptance and respect towards differences among people. These differences can be in terms of race, gender, ethnicity, age, religion, disability, and sexual orientation, among others. To embrace diversity means to open your heart and mind to the value that diverse perspectives bring to our lives, communities, and workplaces. It's about seeing diversity as a strength that enriches our experiences rather than a barrier. Embracing diversity is vital for several reasons. Firstly, it fosters innovation and creativity by bringing together a wide range of perspectives and ideas. In a diverse environment, people can learn from each other's experiences and viewpoints, leading to more innovative solutions and better decision-making. Secondly, it promotes inclusivity and equality, ensuring that everyone, regardless of their background, has the opportunity to contribute and succeed. Lastly, embracing diversity helps us become more empathetic and understanding individuals. By interacting with and learning about people from different backgrounds, we can overcome stereotypes and prejudices, leading to a more harmonious and respectful society. Embracing diversity requires action. It's not enough to simply acknowledge differences. We must actively support and celebrate them. Here are a few ways to do this. Educate yourself about different cultures, religions, and lifestyles. Knowledge is a powerful tool against ignorance and prejudice. Practice inclusivity in your daily life by making sure everyone around you feels valued and included. Speak up against discrimination and prejudice whenever you see it. Being an ally is crucial in creating an environment where diversity is embraced. Encourage dialogue and open conversations about diversity. This helps break down barriers and build understanding among different groups. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the significance of embracing diversity. Remember, diversity is not just about tolerating differences. It's about valuing, celebrating, and learning from them. By embracing diversity, we open ourselves up to a world of richer experiences, deeper understanding, and greater creativity. Let's all commit to making our world a more inclusive and empathetic place. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.